If you think yawning just means you need a nap, you're in for a surprise. Your brain has a secret reason for every yawn. Let's crack the code. Yawning is your brain's way of cooling itself down, like a quick chill break to stay sharp. It brings in extra oxygen and helps keep your mind alert. And here's the weird part. Yawning is super contagious. Thanks to mirror neurons, if you see someone yawn, your brain might just copy them. So next time you yawn, remember, it's your brain's way of staying cool, literally. I always say never to like and subscribe, but please do it now to help our channel grow and go international.